Okay, yeah, I'm ready to go into Bath and Body Works to see some of the new items, see what they have. I haven't been in like a week, or maybe it's been a couple of days. I don't know. But I got a BOPUS order I'm gonna pick up, and I'm gonna see what's new. So let's go into this store really quick and just check out some of the items that they have. Another day at Bath and Body Works, another semi-annual sale day. Leave in the comments, do y'all think Fall and Bloom smell like that Burberry perfume, that Burberry Her perfume? Leave that down in the comments. As y'all do see, this store still have a lot of fairy tale. They had everything in that collection. Everything. The body mist, the lotion, the shower gel, they had everything. Also, leave in the comments, do you prefer the bags at Bath and Body Works, or do you like the little baskets? I actually like the baskets, but that's just me. I like the baskets more than I like the bags. I'm just saying. Also, they have a lot of this aromatherapy, a ton of it. I don't know why nobody's is buying this aromatherapy, but I like the cinnamon and sandalwood, and it goes really well with coffee and whiskey cologne. Just saying, just putting that out there. I'm just saying. As y'all do see, my store still have a lot of these 75% bins, sweet whiskey, the cucumber melon, that dark kisses. They have that. They have tons of this stuff, and I'm kind of surprised that they still have it. Also, this stuff is still 50%. This throwback collection, this pear berry, as well as this brown sugar and fig, and then the other one in the blue. All this stuff is still 50%. I'm not sure why they haven't marked this down to 75%, but it's still 50% off. So we're gonna have to wait a little bit longer for that stuff. Also in this area, they had a little mixture of everything, a little bit of body care as well as the home decor, just a little bit of everything. And just a rule of thumb, get a price check, because some of this stuff was actually 75% off, but I didn't need any of this stuff, so that's why it was a pass for me. I didn't need any of that. Again, the 650 single wick candles, nobody's buying. And I was shocked to see these candles, y'all. I ran for these candles so fast. I was shocked to see these new spring 2023 candles. Yes, I was super shocked that these was in the store, because I haven't seen them in any of my other stores. Well, the one I had just shopped not too long ago, they didn't have this stuff. So I was surprised to see it, and I was happy to see it, because y'all know I am so excited for the spring candles, and I am so happy I haven't bought a lot of stuff for semi-annual, because now I have money for the spring stuff. This is actually cute, but it's giving me it might fall over. But I think I'm gonna grab that. I think it was like $39. So I most definitely will be getting that with a coupon. I don't know when. And y'all already know your girl had to get that little beat, even though it sounds like an erotic toy, but I still wanted it. Some of these other pocket back holders was a pass. You know, it was cute, but I don't need none of that extra stuff. But y'all know I ride for bees, so had to grab that. Yay! More 2023 spring candles. Yes, yes, yes. I'm happy. Y'all know I'm grabbing that one. This golden honeycomb, I need that. I need just about all of these candles because I do love the scent, and I am so happy that my season is here again. I just can't wait for the weather to kind of change because this cold weather ain't working for you, girl. I'm just saying. But yes, I love the packaging. I love the bright colors. I love the soft colors. I am just so in love with these new candles, and I cannot wait for the next sale. Even though I do see some repackages, but it is what it is, y'all. Just expect that with every collection that comes out, there are gonna be some repackaged candles. So you don't have to buy them, just buy the new stuff unless it's your favorite. If it's your favorite, then go ahead and purchase those repackages. But I'm here for the new items. So yes, I most definitely will be grabbing some of these candles on the next sale if it's a good sale. A 10 off sale is a pass. You know, I need something like the $12.95. You know, y'all know my goal price is around $10. So when they do a nice sale on these, I most definitely will be grabbing them. I missed that 75% candle, y'all. I did not see that. I was so excited for these new candles. I just totally skipped on that 75% candle that just passed. But it ain't no big deal because I already have a lot of the bubbly rosé candles anyway. So that wasn't a big deal. But back to these 2023 spring candles, it's a go for me. And I already got a few that I want to get. Like these few right here is probably going to be my first pickups. These 6, yes, is a go. I love the way all of these smell. So I probably will be grabbing these 6 on the first sale. I don't know if I'm going to get 2 of each. I'm not sure. Or I might just go with 1. I already know that honeycomb one is most definitely a go for me. Also, as I was leaving the store, I seen this new aromatherapy. Leave in the comments if your store have this collection because I haven't seen this. I haven't heard anybody talking about it. I haven't seen any pictures of this. Most definitely gonna get that sandalwood plus vanilla. Need that for sure. And this sage and cedar wood. Yes, yes, yes. But I was shocked to see this. They didn't have any testers, so I couldn't smell them. So next time I go, I'm most definitely going to be looking for these just to see how they smell. Hopefully we have an aromatherapy sale soon and I could grab a couple. But yeah, I was shocked to see this new aromatherapy collection. Leave in the comments, have you seen this in your store? Because this video is kind of long, I'm going to do a part 2 with my haul. So don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girls some comments. Let me know, have you seen these new spring candles or new spring products in your store? Leave that down in the bottom. Also, let me know, have you found any treasure finds yet in the comments? Also, shout out to all of my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for holding me down. Thank you for always watching everything I post. Vlogs, reviews, hauls, whatever I post. You got me. You got my back. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Use or follow my hashtag KimbleLipWicks or KimbleLipWick on Instagram, of course. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right.